Srnubi Android 11.0 car radio for Opel Astra, J-Vauxhall, Buick Verano 2009 to 2015. Multimedia video 2 DIN, 4G Wi-Fi, CarPlay head unit, Srnubi Android 11.0. Car radio problems and solutions. 1. Why can't turn on the car radio? 1. Please check the voltage of car radio, 12V2. When you test this car radio, you can combine the red and yellow wires and connect them to the positive side of the power supply.Black line to negative power supply. 3. Replace the same type of insurance to test the car radio. Note: please must use our power cables to connect our car radio. It is not possible to insert the original car plug directly into our machine. 2. Why the car radio will show no signal when we're reversing. Please check if the camera's line is properly connected to the car radio. Note the video port of rear camera must insert the CAMIN port of car radio. 3. Why does the camera display and can't watch video while driving when I use USB to watch videos? Please turn off the video warning function in the settings, then we'll be okay. 4. Why can't Srnubi Android 11.0 car radio search FM? 1. No radio antenna inserted. 2. Please check if the radio antenna is plugged in. Please insert more antennas several times to make it well contacted. 3. The signal of your location is not good. Please go to a better place to test again. 4. The radio antenna on the car is broken, no effect. Please replace the radio antenna and test again. 5. Why can't connect the Bluetooth of car radio? 1. Open the phone settings interface. Open the Bluetooth and the Bluetooth function. Search for Bluetooth devices. Find the player's Bluetooth model to be paired. 2. Please try to use another mobile phone to test this function. Please check if the Bluetooth receiving antenna is properly connected. All methods are correct and still cannot use Bluetooth. Please unplug the plug on the back of the player and plug it in after 3 minutes. 6. Bluetooth signal is weak. Wi-Fi signal is weak. Please check and reconnect the yellow rear camera input connector. There are 2 short cables. They are the extension cords of the Bluetooth antenna and the Wi-Fi antenna, or you can extend them to enhance the signal. 7. The navigation map does not work. Check whether the GPS has a signal. Click GPS signal detection. If there is a signal, then reinstall a new map or open the mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. If there is no GPS signal, leave the garage and test the GPS interface voltage on the road. The voltage must be 3.3V. Otherwise the GPS antenna should be replaced. 8. Srnubi Android 11.0 car radio screen display is abnormal. Click the 1 key recovery button. If it can't be solved, remove the screw on the back, check whether the screen cable is loose, and reconnect the screen cable. 9. Abnormal sound. 1. Check whether the original car cable has been modified by another car owner. If so, please check the speaker cable and reconnect it. 2. Check whether there is an original car or a modif. 11. Srnubi Android 11.0 car radio cannot be turned on. 1. The condition for the radio to turn on is that ACC, G3 and 12V, G2 are connected to the positive pole of the car's 12V power supply, and G1 is connected to the negative pole of the power supply. There may be a very small probability that the power cord does not match your car. You can directly connect these 3 power cords. Connect the power cord of the car without the radio too. It may be that the connecting wire of the radio came off during transportation. Just open the back cover to check and reconnect the connecting wire inside the radio. 3. If you can't turn on after checking the above steps, please send a video to us for confirmation. The video needs to show that the power cord is normally connected and test the connection cord with an electric meter to be 12 volts.